Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will talk about if a statement, and we will also talk about else if a statement. So in previous video we have already talked about if a statement, but we will look more about if a statement here, so how it works. So this video will clear your all doubt. Okay, so here you can see, if I use here if, here we have taken two variable. So this is a string. You can see if we select this whole part and just we keep like this, it will say a string. And if we use this is a number. If we just select this part, okay, it is a number. Okay, so if user is, okay, if user is a smaller than, okay, let me use a smaller than 12. If user is smaller than 12, then print he is a kid. Okay, we have to type a string here. He is a kid. We can also use if a user is a smaller than or equals to. If he is equal to 12 or a smaller than 12, then he is a kid. Okay, we want to print this one. Else, if he is not a smaller than 12, okay, or equals to 12, if the age is more than 12, then what the result we want, that we should use else if the age is not equals or not a smaller than 12, then we need to print, we want that print he is a teen. Okay, now you can see that. So we will add a debugger here. You can see, let's go, we will add here, and now we will run this. So we will check our code line by line. So arrow is here, we will step into. Okay, here you can see a script. If I click here, if you don't see, click on a script, and here we will step into. Now it will go on line 3. So it is checking user age. Now it directly go to line 5 because line 4 is empty. Okay, there is no code here. So here you can see it is checking if user age is really smaller than or equal to 12. So this is false. User age is 20. User age is greater than 12. And here we are saying that user age, you can see user age is 20, but it's saying user age is less than or equal to 12. So this condition is wrong, guys. So what it will do, it will not perform this task. Okay, else we have given that if this is not true, then else do this task. So it will print this task here. So you can see on line 5, if I step into, it will jump from here to here. He don't because Lua interpreter just show that this is not true, so he will not perform, so it will not perform this task. It will jump to this one. Look at this, here it jumped, and now we will step into again, and you can see he is a teen because user is actually 20 years old. Okay, and we have given the task here. If he is not great, he is not equals or a smaller, he is not equals or a smaller than 12, then you should print this one. Okay, so that's why I am showing you it line by line, guys. Okay, now we can do one more thing here. Okay, we want to add a more one more keyword here, else if. Okay, what I am doing, I should stop this. Okay, you know I am a noob coder. Okay guys, let's just go here. We will clear this out, and now you can also delete this breakpoint, and now you can see we will use one more keyword here, else if user age is smaller than or equals to 12, then print this statement. Else if you should check this user age is greater than or equals to 18 equals to 17, then what you need to do, you need to print a string, he is a teen. Okay, and the last, else the user is greater than a 17 years old. Okay, he is not a 17 years smaller than 70 years old, he is not 12 years old. Then what you need to do, you need to print this statement. If this both statement is false, then print this one. That's why we use else. Okay, we can add many else if this it will check here, no, this statement is wrong, so it will not print this one. If the code still see that if this statement, if this is not right, then it will check this statement. Okay, so user is actually smaller or equal to 17. If this will be wrong, if this will be right, it will print this. If this is also wrong, then in the last it will perform this task. Okay, so we can give more and more condition. Okay, we can also give one more else if. Okay, else if, and let me just delete this. Here we have to give one more condition here. If user age is greater or equals to 20, greater or equals to 20, then print what it will print, he is a adult, he is an adult. Okay, 25 equals to 30, or maybe 25. Okay, else print he is a old guy. Okay, yeah, let's do this. Okay, you can see we can write many else if statement here. Okay, we can write that. So we can write like this, else if. We can write again, else if user age, okay, great smaller or equals to what we can say, 30. Okay, 35, then print he is a middle aged guy. Okay, middle aged guy, whatever. if these all statements if these all condition are false, then you can print he is a old guy. And I will change this here. Okay, let's keep it 20. And now let's go and run the code. Boom. Okay, so now we will see here, you can see it is printed he is an adult. Why he is an adult? Because here is the condition that he is a smaller than and equal smaller than 25. Okay, so these all condition are false. He is not a smaller than 17. He is not a smaller or equal to 12. That's why it printed he is an adult. So let me just show you how it is working. So I will add a debugger here. Just click here, and now we will run the code. And now let me show you how it is working. So you check this, guys, check this. So now it is checking here, so it is false. That's why it skipped this line print. Else if it is checking this condition, okay, is user is really smaller than 70 or equals than 70, then it will check here no, so it is also false, so it skips the line number 8. Now here on line number 9 it is checking user age is smaller than 25. Yes, user age is smaller than 25, so this condition is true. So it will go to line 10 and it will actually print this one. Boom and boom. So you can see here it is printed, and now it will go directly here. You can see, okay, our program is ended. Okay, so you can see it is ended. So now the arrow is gone. There is no more code because it is already true. There is no need to go for this one or this one. Okay, because we have given these 4 condition, 1 condition, 2 condition, 3 condition, 4 condition. We can add many else if, and in the last, if those all condition are false, then perform this task. Okay, if this condition is right, perform this print. If this condition is right, perform this print. Okay, if all are false, then in the last, perform this task. So that's how we can use if a statement or else if, guys. That's how we can use if and else if you have. Okay, let me show you. If I change this, okay, my mistake. Okay guys, really I am not a coder, guys. I just understand these concept, and I think I should make a video. Okay, that's why I'm making. If you are really understanding, just comment me, guys, because I will make more videos, because I really want that the scripting should be so easy. Okay, I have seen many tutorials, and I am a dumb guy, and there are a lot of I am a slow learner, guys, and I know there are a lot of slow learner who needs this type of tutorial. Okay, we don't need a 10 minutes video. We need a long video that will show you everything step by step. That's why I'm making this video. I learned this concept from YouTube, and now I'm showing you that what I have understand. Okay, so here we will change this. Now let's see what will happen if I use this one. Now let me show you one thing here. What if I write here 20 like this? Okay, so this is a string here, and here you can see if we just select this, it will show you a string. You can see that here, you can see a string. So here we are comparing a string with a number. This is a number. Okay, 12 is a number, you can see that. If we just select it and hover our mouse like this, but it is not showing. It should be okay. So we are just comparing a string with number, so it will not run, guys. Okay, you can see if I just go here, okay, it will show error. Boom, boom. You can see it is saying compare a string with a number. This is not true. We cannot do this. So here we will write a number. So like this. So this time I will write is 31. Now let's see what will happen if we go here and run the code. Let's go. And also my English is not that much good, but yeah, you can understand this. I think so. So here you can see I will step into here. So age is 31, so this is false. Age is 17, then it is false. Here age should be 25 or smaller than 25, but here age is 31, so it is also false, so it will not print this one. Here age is 35. Okay, so our condition is age is user age is smaller than or equals to 35. So user age is actually smaller than 35. Okay, so it will go and print this one. You can see the line, actually the arrow goes this line and this print option, and now boom, you can see it printed here. He is a middle-aged guy. Okay, so the arrow will not go down, guys, because here the condition met and the task was performed here. Okay, so there is no need to go for this one. Okay, so you can see the arrow just disappeared. If I write here one more, oh, this is my mistake. What I am doing, because I'm not a coder, guys. I am learning these from YouTube and making it in my own way. Okay, I hope you can understand this. If you are a slow learner, then what I'm doing, if you are a slow learner, then you can easily understand coding with my video, guys. Okay, so here you can see I will just print one thing here, that program ended. Okay, so now we will change the age also. So let's say the age is 10. Okay, now we will go here and check our code line by line. Okay, here you can see, if you want to check it line by line, you can just hover your mouse and just do like this, so it will add a breakpoint. You can right click on it and delete this one also. So here is a debugger added. Now you can see, if we step into here, you can see our user age is 10, which is met with this condition, because we are saying that user age is a smaller than 12 or equal to 12. So here age is actually a smaller than 12, so it will go this print option here, print code line, and now boom, it is here. And now you can see the arrow jumped at this one. It skips this one, these all codes here. Why? Because there is no need here. This is true, then it is ended. And now here is another instruction given to Lua interpreter to print this. So it comes at line 17. Okay, so that's if I click on this, it will print program ended. Okay, on line 17, script 17. So now the arrow disappeared. So that's how our code runs, guys, in Lua interpreter okay, you can check it line by line also. Okay, so if you write a code and see how it is working, okay, you can learn a lot, guys. This is the best way to learn the coding here, guys. Okay, just check all the code line by line. And also over here, you are a new in coding, guys, so you can just select these and see what is happening here. You can see, if I select this, then every user is just selected with gray background. You can see that. And if you hover your mouse, it will say a number. Why it is a number? Because here you can see, we, for this variable user is, we have given here a number. That's why it is showing a number. So you should use this, just check this thing also by on your own. So yeah, so it is a string. You can see we have written here for a string like this. So now in later video we will talk about a scope. I think I should talk about a scope here. Okay, we will talk about a scope also, but right now if you have any problem with this else statement, you can go and check, just give anything here, okay, or any number, and you can compare this. I will show you more comparing thing in when we learn about this operator, these comparing operator. Okay, these operators are very important. We have to learn about this in a separate videos. Okay, and I will show you how we use this in more way. So right now it is just beginner guide. That's why I'm not showing you those more complex code here. This is so simple, anyone can understand it. Okay, so if you have any problem, you can ask me, and I will keep making these simple tutorial video to just make you understand Lua scripting, guys. Okay, so follow me, guys, and you will also some codes video on my channel, because I need money, I get views from that. Okay, so subscribe my channel, guys, and just access the playlist, and you will just see my scripting video only. So I'm not a scripter, guys, I'm learning from YouTube, and I am making it simple for you. Okay, that's why you can see my typing is slow and I mistake a lot, but that's how you will also do. You will also do a lot of mistake. So that's why I'm not editing the video. I don't edit the video. I fumble in the video, I do a lot of mistake in the video, and that's how you will also do. So you can learn that from my mistake also. Okay, the mistake I am doing and how I am correcting it. So this is a great way to learn, guys. Okay, so if you have any problem, you can ask me, guys, related to if statement. Okay, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, see you.